Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. The way I clean out my condensation line for my air conditioning, I use vinegar into the spout, and then it goes down to my drain. And to keep my drain from clogging up, I use a plunger, take the condensation line out. I'm gonna put it over in this bucket. Okay, put the plunger down in there. Then I'm gonna turn the water on high to flush it out. All right, I'm going to go turn the water on now to flush it out. I'm at the other end of the condensation line in the backyard. And there's all the gunk that come out of the pipe right there. And now it's flowing better.